I generally think making presentations is one of the most annoying parts of the work. You open a blank slide and suddenly you need to become a designer. But apparently AI can do this now. And honestly, this might be the fastest presentation tool I have ever used. Remember the domain AIPPT.com? Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host James. Today we're going to dive in AIPPT.com. It is an AI presentation generator that can turn a simple topic into a fully designed slide deck in seconds. And today, I want to test the new flow feature, especially Nano Banana Mode. This is the homepage of the AI PPT, and you can find some introduction about the product. Basically, this is an AI presentation maker to quickly create astonishing slides. You got a lot of ways to generate your slides, and you got a lot of the templates, and you got one powerful AI that can help you to generate a unique style of the slides. So it is called creating slides with flexibility. You are allowed to upload your documentation or import from Google Drive, and even just give a simple URL, and boom, you got yourself a nice slides. It's just one-click slide creation, so you don't need to study a lot of stuff. All you need to do is click the create button and wait. I think it's quite helpful because in my work, I usually make slides to present to certain audiences or clients about my design, about my YouTube, and AI PPT just helped me a lot. So today I want to share my secret weapon with you. So if you are new here, you can click here sign up, and after that you can click here sign in. And here is our workspace. You can find on our left, we have a menu. So you got new projects, you got my works, and you can click here share with me. And you can even create image from AI image. And you can find some nice templates from this template tab. And if you're not too picky about the style, you can easily find a template that works for you. And also you got trash bin. Okay, so why I want to use this tool? Because normally when I make presentations, I have to think about this structure, the slide design, the images, the layout, and somehow it takes forever, especially if you are making content, working on school projects or client presentations. So I want to see, can AI actually build something presentation ready without me touching the design? So let's click here, create from topic. And after that, you got many options, but I choose this one, Nano Banana Mode. You just need to simply type the prompt, for example, like this. And that's it. I'm not selecting templates. I'm not designing slides manually. I just hit the create button, this one. But FYI, if you have any reference images or reference PDF, you can totally upload from here. You can up to 5 files, okay? But I want to make it simple, so let's just click here. When we click the create button, a little AI shows up here, and he's thinking. Okay, after seconds, we are seeing this. So we generated an outline for our 2026 social media marketing strategy overview. And for the model, let's choose Nano Banana 2, and let's click create. Oh my god, this is a part that surprised me. The entire presentation appears automatically, not just the bullet points, actual designed slides. You can check from here. We got a cover, a nice strategic overview, and content strategy, pay media strategy, and so many more. So actually, we generated like 10 pages of the slides in just a second. It already has a visual hierarchy, matching background, structured sections, and clean layout. Honestly, this looks better than a lot of presentations people spend hours making manually. And what is even better, when you click here, text, ship, image, and video, you're able to change it manually. It's just like a PPT, right? And you can insert a lot of the shapes and also images. And when you click here, you can also generate an image directly from AI PPT. You can type your description here, for example, roadmap, and you can choose a different model and choose a different aspect ratio and click here, generate button. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Now we can generate the images with a second, and you're able to change the orders, and you're able to tweak, so make it better, make it fit for your content. Yeah, something like that. And also when you click here edit, you can actually convert this content from image, because you see we just generated this presentation by Nano Banana 2, right? So basically they are images, but if you click edit, this tool is doing a crazy thing. It can convert image into actually editable content. And if you like this, you can apply it to all pages. And when you click here present, like from start, you're able to preview the whole presentation. And this works like a charm. charm, man. You can even share with your friends, share with your boss. You can add video to it, and after everything satisfies you, just click here download, and you got 3 options: export to PDF, export to presentation, export as a PNG. Different format. So this is how presentation looks like in the year 2026. And this works for the way more than business presentations. You could use it for school projects, YouTube planning, pitch decks, client works, content strategy. Honestly, even brainstorming becomes easier because AI already organized your idea visually. And FYI, you can click here, apps. If you're tired of editing your presentation on your computer, you can also download the app because AI PPT just published 2 different versions of the mobile app for both Apple and Android. And for me, I'm an iOS user, so just click here, download. And this is quite amazing because now you're able to work from your mobile device. Yes, I also have a mobile app. So if you're always working from your mobile or tablet, you can open this app anytime to view your completed presentations and be ready for any unexpected presentation at a critical moment. Just search AI PPT on App Store or Google Play. So this started as a single sentence idea and turned into completed presentation. No manual design, no searching for templates, no spending hours adjusting slides. Just input, generate, and present. And honestly, this feels like where presentation tools are heading. Yes, this video is sponsored by AIPPT.com. If you want to create a presentation faster without dealing with the slides design manually, check out AIPPT.com using the link in the description, and definitely try Flow with Nano Banana Mode. It's honestly one of the most polished AI presentation tools I ever tested recently. Alright everyone, so much for today. Hope you liked today's content, and don't forget to check the link in the description, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.